Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you 10 by 14 inch, which is about a 20 by, I don't know, 30 sort of centimetre canvas. And I haven't done my maths, have I? But that's okay, I'll get over it. I put on some grey leftover paint, and then I added some of this sort of rusty colour to the top, and there is silicone in it, but you know, I'm just going to do a straight out swipe, so I figured it wouldn't really matter, and it's quite pretty already. So I have cobalt blue, white, black and hot red. I'm actually going to swipe with the black, and I'm probably got too much paint, but we shall see. I'll take this one this way. There is silicone in the red and the blue and in the base coat, and some white should be pretty over the lot. And we'll just see how we go now with some black as a swipe, and I think I'll do a centre swipe because I like those. Put a bit more of this end. Here we go. Oh, might help if I get my cloth, mightn't it? Ah. Oh dear. Very hot here today, the brain's a bit slow. And it's not overcast at all. I don't know if you can see out the door, but that's smoke from the fires. It looks like we have an overcast day, but we don't. I do hope people realise that they can be burned through the smoke haze from the sun, but I'm sure they do. We don't live in the subtropics for nothing. Alright, here we go. Some prettiness. Is that a word, prettiness? I guess it would be, especially if you're describing me. Okay, here we go with this side. And slither. I like watching it slither over the edge for some unknown reason. I don't know why, but I do. Put some of these lovely colours onto the side. See if anything wants to drip off. Not much. Okay, that's fine. Put that back in the bucket. And, whoa, very pretty. And as I thought, plenty of paint. Bring it around. Take some off. Bring it back to the centre. Yeah, that's really nice. I'm just thinking about it. I'll stop thinking and I will wipe my hands off. I might torch it and see how many cells I get, or at least hope for a few more. I had to have some larger ones there, which are rather nice, but I have distorted them. So if I've got a little bit of black left, okay. And bring it around. Take some of that off because that's rather a lot of paint still there, which is a shame, because that was a nice pattern, but not to worry, has to be done. And take it back. So now that I've totally wrecked it, I might just do this and this, and we'll see. Oops, not you. You're a bit too much. Just do that. There we go. I'll get my cloth again and re-swipe it. With white. Oops, stand up please. Down we go. Might be a little bit different, but I'm sure it will be okay. Two swipes lucky, I think, I hope. We are. So we have a very nice painting here this way, and I'm very happy with that. I'm going to grab these edges with some of the tip-off paint. And let's see this edge. That's looking good. Colours pulls through a little bit more. Right. Some of the red. Tilt him a little bit. Just to bring those colours in and look like I haven't really just put them on. Alright, I'm happy. Little painting. Two swipe wonder. Alright, so I'm going to rinse my hands off and give it another torch and see what's going on here. I suppose if I want the lighter to work. Yes. Quite bright. To have separated a bit, and they really are quite different, like little hairy cells, but they're not quite little dendrites, not quite, but they're very pretty. So I'll bring you down to have a look and tell you that the link to my Facebook group, Australia Art Dreaming, is down below. You're more than welcome to come and join us there. And that's what I'm talking about. Can I get it in so you can see it? No. Not quite, but anyway, it's quite pretty. It's only a smaller canvas, but it's come up rather nicely. I rather like it from the either end as well. As you can see, that's one, and let's go around and see if we can get the other one. When we go to the table, yeah, they're quite pretty. It doesn't really matter which way you have this one, which is rather good. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed a double swipe, and I'll catch you in Australia Art Dreaming or in the next video. Please like, thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and click the little bell and you'll be notified when I put up the next lot of videos. Thank you very much again for watching, and bye for now.